You see that light in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're too low.
No, it's just right.
right.
Give it a break. You're in the middle. But do this. But do this. Get down like this. Watch what happens. Okay, now you're too low. Okay, yeah. Okay, catch it? All right. So again, that is a Fresnel lens, it's ground that way, and our guys had a hell of a time trying to get this thing set up where it worked that way. Yeah. So this is almost as good as Disneyland. Okay. Now, in the old days, when the LSO saw the pilot coming in and said, "This is not good. Well, I don't want to land," they used to give a signal like this, wave off. Okay. He absolutely, positively had to do it. Keep doing it. Watching it, that's what you get now. Okay. There you go. Get that. Ooh and ah. There you go. Keep on doing it. Get the shots. Of course, you aim a little bit in the sun. Okay. All right. Okay. Turn the key around the other way and pull it out. All the way around. There you go. All right.